Racing gas is started with Queen Cheetah. Break quickly at a start, moving a party outside, fighter in the wind, running by the rail comes nothing but the truth. And going along for the first turn, we have Queen Cheetah by about 3 lengths, nothing but the truth in second. Alongside comes Fighter in the wind. Then next on line is Stronghold, moving a party outside is Wishful Splendor. Then comes Prince Love Fox. Romana comes next, while Bean Bridge now racing in last. Back to the leader, we have Queen Cheetah enjoying a length and a half lead, and in second is nothing but the truth. Then 6 lengths back. In third comes Fighter in the wind, moving up is Bean Bridge. Then Darorian Sari Stronghold, Wishful Splendor, Pax Romana, while Prince Lau now racing in less, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have Queen Cheetah, this time by about 3 lengths, and in second is nothing but the truth. Fighter in the wind is down in third with about 150 meters more to run. We have Queen Cheetah by about 4 lengths over nothing but the truth in second, and finally from start to finish it's Queen Cheetah, nothing but the truth. Then comes Bean Bridge, Fighter in the wind, and Wishful Splendor.
Only the second choice, Queen Cheetah, entry number 4. 5-1 eh.
Tapos?
Magbigay ng laban sana yung dos kanina, pero para sumalto siya. Sumiksik sa agad eh.